Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's springtime and we're going to make tiramisu alle fragole, which is strawberry tiramisu. These are the ingredients that we will need. We will need 600 grams of strawberries sliced and washed, 60 grams of sugar, the juice of half a lemon, 4 egg yolks, 120 grams of sugar, 250 grams of mascarpone, 250 milliliters of whipping cream, 1 grated white chocolate bar, 250 grams of Savoiardi biscuits. It's the ones with the sugar on top, or any type of dry biscuit in the form of a finger. 1 package of vanilla sugar. So let's start by removing 5 spoons of strawberries and putting them into a bowl. These will make the sauce for dipping our Savoiardi in. We add the 60 grams of sugar and the juice of half a lemon, and we shred it. With the help of a mixer or a blender, shred the strawberries. And we set aside. Next, pour the egg yolks into a bowl with the sugar and whisk them until light and frothy. The egg yolks have to be completely blended in with the sugar and they will become slightly whitish. That is exactly the consistency that we're looking for. Now we set aside our egg mixture and take another bowl where we will whisk the cream and the mascarpone. And we work it. We whisk it until our cream is nice and thick. The mascarpone helps the whisking process so that the whipped cream gets stiff faster and stays stiffer. Now we'll mix in the eggs and the vanilla sugar. Let's start with the eggs and the vanilla sugar, and we mix again. Now we place it into the fridge for approximately an hour so that it gets even thicker. I will take care of my laundry, so see you again in an hour. So now an hour has passed and we have ourselves a baking form. Any type of form may work where you will place the tiramisu in and where you will take it out. I usually take a glass, what is called baking form. We have all our ingredients. So we have our Savoiardi biscuits, our sauce, strawberry sauce, our cream, our chocolate, and the strawberries. So we will start by dipping the cookie into the sauce and placing it on the tray. Dip, place. We proceed with the whole layer. It doesn't have to be too soaked in sauce. Just a quick dip should be more than fine. The cookies will become soggy with the cream anyways, so don't worry about that. So now we will make a layer of cream on top followed by a layer of strawberries. Here, if you want to, you can sprinkle the strawberries with sugar. I prefer not to because my biscuits already have sugar and I think that's enough. And now we sprinkle some chocolate on top. And we repeat with a new layer. So again, biscuits, now we're out of sauce, so we won't be making a new layer, but I think a new layer would not fit into my tray anyways. But technically you can make as many layers as you wish and as you can. So again, we place all the remaining cream now. Spread it out to cover everything. Followed again by a layer of strawberries. So again, if you'd like to, you can coat the strawberries in sugar. I'd rather not, mainly because I don't really like the taste of sugar. And the last layer of chocolate. I used a table or bar of chocolate of around 180 to 200 grams. And to grate it, I used a normal grater, cheese grater, because I never actually managed to chop it without making a huge mess. There we go. And now it goes into the fridge for at least 4 hours. In the meantime, I will have a walk and entertain myself somehow to make the time go by. So see you in 4 hours. So the time has passed. 4 hours have been, well, not as long as I thought, but it's already evening. We already had dinner and we're ready to have our dessert. And the tiramisu is ready, looks great, and we're ready to dig in. So let's take a bite. Very creamy, very strawberry. I love it. Well, I will go and enjoy this tiramisu. Thanks again for watching and joining me in my kitchen today. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to have more videos, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!